Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into some of the promotional looks of Janhvi Kapoor from the movie Param Sundari. She's been serving some fashion movements and I'll be breaking down the styling and sharing my honest thoughts. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the first look, Janhvi wore a pink colorful sari styled with silver jewelry. It's simple yet playful and carries a very fresh vibe. The earrings go beautifully with the sari and that little bindi adds the perfect ethnic touch. Overall, it's very graceful look, so for me, it's a thumbs up. The second look is my favorite. Janhvi wore a lehenga style sari dressed head to toe in gold. The blouse is completely embellished with intricate work and pearl detailing at the back, which looks stunning. For jewelry, she wore jhumka earrings, neck piece, nose pin and a kamar band. Hair tied into a bun decorated with gajra, this enhances the cultural theme. I appreciate that the sari in itself is very simple to balance the richness of the blouse. Totally love it. Another golden look. In this one, the golden elements are just restricted to the upper part of the body. She wore a golden crop top style blouse and paired it up with a white flowy skirt. Again, she kept the styling very traditional, neck pieces, earring, nose pin and some bangles. Hair tied into a braid with little pearl detailing that I love. Most of her looks are very traditionally styled, keeping the theme of the movie in mind. I love the look and definitely a thumbs up from me. Taking a break from those traditional looks, Janhvi wore a colorful dress with floral prints. The dress features a little tie-up detail in the front. She completed the look with minimum jewelry and white heels. Personally, I'm not a fan of the front tie-up detail. It does not look very flattering. The colors are nice, but the style of the dress isn't working for me. Kriti Sanon wore a very similar dress and that looked much better. For me, this one is a miss. Moving on to another floral outfit, and this time it's an Indian look. She wore a white anarkali suit with floral designs and this one looks much better. The styling is simple and subtle, just earrings, open hair and a pink bindi just like her look in the movie. The hand printed detail adds such a lovely touch, so for me, it's definitely a win. In the next look, Janhvi is wearing something that feels like a mix of a dress and a sari, sort of a sari inspired dress. She styled it with earrings and handcuffs. But honestly, the outfit in itself isn't very flattering. The prints do not look that great and the overall outfit comes across a little dull. The styling saves it a bit, but for me, it doesn't hit the mark. For the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, Janhvi wore a red sari with golden thread work that worked beautifully with a festive theme. The nath and the earrings add the perfect Maharashtrian touch, while floral print looks elegant. Love the look, it's festive, it's traditional and well styled too. Switching back to western outfits, she wore this outfit with long green skirt and a floral top. Clearly, Janhvi Kapoor wore a lot of floral outfits during these promotions. The ear cuff looks really nice, the top looks stylish, but personally I'm not a fan of this particular shade of green. Still, the outfit stands out and I wouldn't call it bad, not the best either, but it stands somewhere in the middle for me. For her latest appearance, Janhvi wore a lehenga sari once again, this time in the shade of pink. She styled it with kamar band, statement earrings and hair tied into a neat braid. The look, very much like her other outfits, leans heavily towards ethnic charm. The color complements her skin tone. While there are certain elements of the outfit that I didn't love as much, especially the lower half compared to the upper half, it's still very graceful and eye-catching piece. It's very traditionally styled. It's a thumbs up from me. And finally, the most talked about look of them all, her flower sari. This is all over the internet and got mixed reviews. She actually wore it to the Kapil Sharma show and yes, the sari was literally made from real flowers. The pink and green colors look cute, but the outfit feels more like a one-time dramatic piece. Janhvi looks good, no doubt, but it doesn't really fit well for movie promotions. But yeah, it definitely got people talking. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!